description.
Well, hello there. This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So, I think it was the last episode I did. It was like, what, last Friday-ish? I did a shio soba, and I said that was the last of the ones that came from Nakama noodles. This is the last that came from Nakama noodles. This is a Maruchan Kumamoto style garlic tonkotsu cup. That's what we're doing today. So, how are you? It's been very sporadic with how often I've been reviewing lately. A big part of it has to do with I don't have a lot to review. And there's other junk involved as well, but not a lot. Mostly just like, I don't know, I just haven't taken the time to do it. I've been kind of on a vacation, I guess. I don't know, but we're going to cook this sucker up and make it look pretty and, you know, the standard deal with the show. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy that. Going for 3 minutes on this, and yeah. So it is the 18th? Let me make sure. This says it's Wednesday, June 18th, and I'm not gonna say that's not true because I'm pretty sure it's true. Ooh, I do need that too. I'm woefully unprepared, folks. But there's something in the fridge, and I gotta dig in the fridge. You wanna see inside my fridge? Yeah? I don't know if that was a yeah or not, but there's something I need to find in here, and hopefully not knock stuff off of other things. Is that it? No, that's yeast. Here's the fridge, but what I'm looking for, that's yeast. That's milk. Did I get rid of it? Oh, I see it. It's way back there. There's my eggs and other junk. See that jar? Way back there. That's what I'm going for. Let me grab that. What's that? Oh, my wife's special cheese. She enjoys her special cheese. There it is. Some store-branded chili crisp. Yeah. But thank you for enjoying a quick little look in my fridge. Yeah, there's yogurt and water and salad junk and pouch squeezy treats and a lot of goo and milk, and yeah. So now we're a little more, you know, a little more about what's in my fridge. And honestly, it's not all that exciting. The freezer's where it's at, but I think we're gonna skip that for now. There's burritos in there. Gut bomb burritos. So being June 18th, it is National Picnic Day. It's also National Panic Day. That's what it says. I need Caesars. It looks like the sun is going away. I'm happy with that. That makes my photography a lot easier. Yeah. My nose has been like driving me nuts. Still. I don't care for that. Eventually I'll sneeze. And the spoon. The holiest of spoon, along with the other holy spoon. Oh, my nostril. Nostrillo. I think that's actually a product for those who have nostrils. Yeah, it's been interesting. Add the goo. Needs goo. It's crazy. This is it. This is the last one. And I'm really bummed. I should hit them up and go, hey, you know, if you want to send me a box, a Meow Mall box, that'd be great. It's MIAUMALL.com. I don't know if the coupon code The Ramen Raider will work for buying ramen there, but it's worth a shot. They've got some nice ramen, and they've got some stuff I don't think I've reviewed, so I might, you know, go, hey, I'll do a special unboxing. Yeah. All right. Stirring thoroughly, a thorough stir. So there is our noodle product. Let's give it a try. Itaki dekimasu, or is it itadake deki? I don't know. Cheers. Soft noodle, thin, well hydrated. Definitely a nice looking broth. Salty, savory, tonkotsu-y for sure. Definitely porky. It's good. It's good. Finishing on a good note. Again, I'd like to thank. Oh, it's very garlicky. It's even got enough of a garlic bump to it. It has a slight bitter to it, but it's a garlic bitter, and I like the garlic bitter. So some bitter I bitch about, but that's not bitter I bitch about. And of course, like I was gonna say, I'd like to thank Meow Mall. They sent me product for well over a year, I think, right? And I enjoyed reviewing all of it. It was great. Okay. So, how are we going to do this? We're going to start out with some chashu. It's like with the amount of reviewing I've been doing lately, this chashu is going to last forever. One thing, too, I had when I was getting the images ready for doing this, I got a notice while I was editing this labeling, because as you can see, it's very reflective. I don't know if there's a bunch of bumpy lines all down this, and what happened was I go to review it or edit it, and I use generative fill to get rid of some of the what do you call it? The glare. Well, we're sorry, you've run out of credits for this month. Like, what? I've been, like, reviewing barely at all. What do you mean I'm out of credits? What do you mean credits? So, I found out the hard way that Adobe is now charging credits. So what I have to do now is get Adobe Firefly as well, which means an extra $10 I'm going to be spending a month, which really sucks. My internet is going up at least $10 a month. It's hard. Struggle is very real. So this is store brand chili crisp, and I need to get more chili crisps for my special chili crisp roundup featured deal. This Safeway brand chili crisp is interesting. I just thought, whoa, Safeway brand chili crisp. It's not bad, but it's not the best in the world. Wow, I want to eat all that. That's really good. Yeah, it's been tough lately. We've been pretty broke, and it's hard. Struggle is real. Well, thanks for watching. Yeah, so Nakama Noodles disappeared, but right around the same time they did, I contacted, I can't remember how we got together, a company called Project Ramen. And if you go to projectramen.com, you can find all the stuff they've got. They're on Amazon, they've got their own website, they're really cool, nice people. This is from their mega super assortment box. You can get 16 different varieties, or 16 packs, 2 of each variety. And this was one of them, Kangshifu. This is a artificial pickled cabbage, beef flavor. And these, as you can see, it's purple, and it's got the little, the pot. Yeah, that's it. When you see that, that means this is going to be pickled cabbage. There's tons of varieties out of China that are purple packs, and they are that flavor. So anyways, with that, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.